You see, even among bandits, there should be integrity, there should be honor. And if you look at the structure of Nigeria, it will always confer advantage on the North when it comes to electoral position, because they have more local governments, more states, and more words, electoral words. And look at, what do you call him? Former Governor Wike gave the greatest support to Tinubu in 2019 as a presidential aspirant on the platform of the PDP. You saw what happened in Port Harcourt. Even when courts came in to say support Atiku instead of Tinubu, I said, Tinubu himself steps down, I will support him to the end. And when Tinubu did not win, and Atiku emerged freely and fairly from a very clearly contested race, Wike went ahead to give enormous support to Atiku as candidate of the PDP. When it was the turn of the South, it was disheartening. It is betrayal that two brothers from the North, Hausa-speaking Fulani Muslims, will now step down for each other against this lone man who had given them this kind of support in the past. It is unfair. You can't expect that. And to make matters worse, our other cousin from Benue, Mr. Ayu, came and described Samuel as the hero of the convention. What does that tell you? It means the North conspired to deny the South the ticket or the plan of a party that has been supported substantially by the South. I don't understand how kind of miscalculation is that. And they failed to have consequences. When it was time for the South, one would have expected that the PDP, that has enjoyed so much support from the Southeast particularly, as a major driving force, support base for the party. And Atiku particularly enjoyed this support in 2019 to the maximum. One would have expected that by 2023, when there was a national consensus that power should shift to the South, Atiku should have supported a candidate from the Southeast. The same way those who supported Buhari in 2015 from the Southwest, the Tinubus, the Osibajos and others, who supported President Buhari in 2015 from the North to get power back to the North, enjoyed the same support from the northern elements in the APC going into the 2023 election. That was honor. The PDP by now should have set up a committee to admit why they lost the 2023 election, which is the evaluation of zoning formula primarily. However, there's a way out. The only way out, the only opportunity, the only chance at all that is available to torpedo the Tinubu administration after 4 years only will be for the northern flank of the PDP and the associates like El-Rufai and Koda that are disgruntled now, to zero in now on a southern alternative to Tinubu. And in doing this, they should perform the miracle of the North for the first time, mobilizing massive support for the Southeast. And not the Southeast, but zero down to that person who has shown capacity and who has been going around to ingratiate himself with northern Nigeria. On the basis of moral suasion of justice and equity for the Southeast,